All areas of the finished sculpture, which are expected to show extraordinary subtleties in the product's handling after finishing, are especially prepared with channels made from beeswax for extra connections, which allow an unconstrained padding with a bronze alloy at a later date. These connections are removed after the casting. This so-called soldering comes first, before the further steps of processing, rasping, smoothing down with sandpaper, chasing and polishing with the polishing machine.
Samantha Savadukha Brashamana Satyam Amityatva Pranya Dharamitaya Mukto Mantra Tadyatha.
Now, depending on how the final product should be designed, are following various further processing steps. Either gold is laid on or oxidation is effected. For gold application, 24-karat gold leaf is used, which will be crushed at first into small pieces, which further are shredded in a mortar. Then 3/4 of gold is mixed with 1/4 of the quantity of mercury. This mixture then is applied to the desired position with brushes. After the drying of the paint, the mercury is brought to evaporate by heating up. Now follows a fine polishing by using a gemstone. This bestows the desired brightness and brilliancy upon the gold face. Now what follows is the finishing of the face. It is smoothed again, this time extraordinarily gently, whereupon a primer is applied. Upon this primer, the face painting gold, which always will be delivered in the form of tablets, is laid on. The production of this kind of gold is a company confidential of a single family in Nepal, and this secret has been handed down for generations within this family. This kind of gold is also used by all Nepalese Danka painters. The application of modern processes of production due to our Western technical societies in Nepal is not used there on account of different reasons. Modern technology most of the time is expensive. And most of the traditional family business in Nepal, coming from the tribe of the Navari clan of the Shakyas, which derives their origins from the same clan as the historical Buddha, whose name Shakya Muni is a hint for this, are not able to afford further financial investments in a situation where the manufacturers are confronted with the business competition of Indian cheap producing quantity manufacturers, who are pirate copying the Nepalese originals and are delivering the Western market with second-class rupas of less quality. The average consumers from the rich Western countries most of the time don't know the differences between a quality product rupa and a cheap replica, and furthermore most of the time those lay people are preferring low prices. It is our wish that quality might regain its good reputation and is honored also by the average consumers again. Art sellers, collectors and other experts know already about these problems and are aware of the situation of change with which all traditional forms of business are confronted in a world of so-called free markets. Metal statues, or rupas in Sanskrit, are used since many centuries for the purpose of meditation and training the mind. It has to be pointed out that the invention and development of casting and producing rupas was not first-hand an artistic effort for itself. The main purpose for using rupas was as objects during sessions of visualization and meditation for practicing yoginis and yogins, monks, lay practitioners and householders. All those different people can be interested in the insight and development of their own mind. This is the main purpose of any Buddhist study, training, meditation and exercises. And for this purpose, rupas and tankas of the historical Buddha, of bodhisattvas or of respected teachers have been used traditionally since thousands of years within Buddhist cultures in the East and since the last century also in Western countries.